is your laptop fan making a lot of noise? Now, if that is the case, then you might need to go ahead and clean it. One of the reasons why your fan is making a lot of noise or your computer is overheating is because the fan is too dirty, or it has accumulated a lot of dust or even blanket particles. Your laptop fan regularly needs to be cleaned because with the time it accumulates dust and it accumulates dirt, and this dirt blocks the airway, making the laptop to struggle. Now, the best tool to clean your fan is having a blower. However, if you don't have a blower, don't worry, I'm just going to show you how you can clean your fan just using a brush and even toothbrush. These are all the tools that we are going to use. These two are enough. And the best way to clean your fan is to go inside. And to go inside, all you need to do is to uncover this casing just using a screwdriver. You may want to go ahead and clean the fan using these ventilations or these vents. However, these will not go deep as most of the dirt or dust accumulates inside. So let's get started. Now, to begin with, just go ahead and unscrew all the nuts, all the screws on your laptop on top here. But before you even do that, make sure that you have unmounted the battery from your laptop before you go ahead and remove the screwdriver. So let me remove all of them. So I had removed the rest and the screws are here. So to remove the casing, just go ahead and using your fingers, just go around the edges, or if you have this remover, just go ahead and run it around the edges and it should be able to remove the casing, and the casing is removed. As you can see, there is a lot of dirt around the fan area, and this is one of the problems that this laptop has. If I also show you closer, you can see how dirty the fan is. There is a lot of dirt that has accumulated here. Unscrew the fan alone, and the fan is here. So I'll go ahead and unscrew it, and it is removed. Now we have also a cable done. Then go ahead and unmount the cable that is attached to the motherboard. You can see here we have a cable from the fan to the motherboard. So you can just go ahead and pull it using your fingers by pinching at the head of it and then pull it out. So we are done. Now if I even touch it, you can see now our fan is here, and indeed it is very dirty. Look at that. That's the dirt that has accumulated on this fan. Once you have removed it, using your brush, now go ahead and start cleaning it. And there's a lot of dirt that is coming out. Make sure you do it away from your motherboard so that you don't dirtify everything. And there's a lot of dirt that is coming out of it. Here is where the blower is much important. So if you have a blower, you can now go ahead and use it. So the advantage of the blower is it will penetrate inside without having to struggle. And let me just use it. I'll also blow this. Again, you may want to go ahead and brush over these vents. You have the vents here for the fan that is connected at the heatsink area. So make sure you penetrate in using your brush. And you can see there's a lot of dirt that is coming out. There's a lot of dust and even mattress particles that are coming out. And this is what is causing heating problem and noise problem on this laptop. And make sure that the ventilation or the openings are wide open. There is no blockage. As you can see, there is a lot of dirt coming out. It was very dirty. And it is done. Once you are done, it's time to fix it back. And you see with this, we didn't touch any other part of the laptop, so we don't have any issue. So from here, go ahead and fix it back. Don't forget to fix the cable from your fan, your motherboard, and then go ahead and screw all the nuts on the fan. And make sure it is also aligned with the ventilation holes on your heatsink. So that is it. I'll fix all the screws that are attached to the fan on the motherboard. Also clean this. Make sure you clean also this. Once it is clean, it's time to return the casing. And that's it. You'll not have tampered with anything. So go ahead and fix the screw back. Then press on the edges to make sure that they are intact. Sometimes you'll hear them clip. And then don't forget to return this, the CD-ROM. If you had it on your laptop, return it. And then fasten it with a screw. So I'll not fasten the others, I'll just leave it as it is, because this was just a demonstration using this sample or this laptop. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.